1, 2, 3.
Good afternoon. This is Dr. Emma's office. How may I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment to see Dr. Emma, please.
Have you seen Dr. Emma before?
Hey, yes, I have. I had a physical checkup there a month ago.
Alright, what's your name?
My name is Angelia Smith.
Miss Smith, could you please wait a moment? I'm searching your file.
Sir,
Thank you. I found your information. May I know the reason of making this appointment?
I've been feeling sick lately. I'd like to see Dr. Emma soon.
Okay, there's one available time is Friday at 8 in this morning.
Yes, thank you. Yes, that would be great.
Very well, I'll schedule an appointment for you 8 o'clock this Friday.
Thank you.
My pleasure. See you this Friday.
See you.